Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Quốc Việt Kitchen. Today we will be making these delicious hot and sour tamarind party wings using our pad thai stir-fry base and our Thai tom yum soup base. These will be the ingredients you'll need to fry these chicken wings. Now let's get started. Make sure to prep the wings by cleaning them thoroughly with salt beforehand. Then pat them completely dry. Removing all moisture is crucial to achieving the perfect crispy fried wings. Then, when it's completely dry, start coating the wings in the cornstarch powder thoroughly. Really make sure to completely coat the wings in the cornstarch. Optionally, if you want more crunch to your wings, you can actually double dip them in the cornstarch. Before doing so, make sure to dip it in some beaten eggs or spray them with a little water first for a wet dredge, and then back into the cornstarch they go for a double dip. Time to fry them. Heat up 2 quarts of canola oil in your frying vessel. Make sure your pan is not non-stick. Non-stick frying pans do not get hot enough. If you want your wings to come out perfect, make sure you're only frying 6 to 8 wings at a time, depending on your pot size. This will allow them to maintain the right temperature throughout the cooking process by not overcrowding. To avoid ripping the coating on the skin, do not move the wings for at least 5 minutes after you add them to the hot oil. Set the wings aside after they're done cooking and drain them on a paper towel. Next is the sauce. These are the ingredients you'll need to make that hot and sour tamarind sauce. Let's get started. Heat up 2 ounces of cooking oil in a small saucepan. Lower the heat and then add your minced garlic, careful not to burn them. Add the Thai tom yum soup base and pad thai stir-fry base and mix well. Feel free to adjust the measurements to your preferences. This is completely up to you and how you enjoy your wings. Then add 4 ounces of water. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar and let the sauce caramelize until it's a beautiful golden brown color. If you prefer a thicker sauce like we do, combine 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 ounce of water, mix well and add it to the sauce to thicken. To add a nice kick, throw in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and let the sauce simmer and thicken on medium heat until you like the consistency. Once the consistency is just thick enough, we're gonna turn off the heat and toss the chicken wings in the sauce. It's best to toss the wings while they're freshly fried and hot. The sauce will absorb into the wings a lot better. And that's it. Delicious and easy to make party wings. Feel free to serve them with any sauces you enjoy and vegetables as well, like lettuce or pickled cabbage, pickled carrots, and pickled cucumbers. Thanks for watching this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our social media pages for more content, recipes, and specials.